more lessons. Thanks for the session, sir. No problem, Burhan. Thank you for joining. If this session recorded, I don't know it is recorded. Zishan, is that recorded? All right. All right. So Anis, I don't. I so Anis, it is recorded, and Zishan will share to you guys. So there, Hussein, thank you for sir for appreciation. No problem. Thank you guys. And Anthony, no, not recorded. Zishan, he's saying not recorded, but Zishan is saying Anthony. Zishan is saying it is recorded. So I think that goes better. And sir, there is a small request for you. I think this is a basic session. It would be great there will be an advanced. Yes, exactly. Just for fun, you have a funny name, but you have a good suggestion. Actually, it was a basic session because I cannot cover all the mechanical knowledge in a single session. I hope you guys are getting my point. We cannot. It is not just like that. Just I will say you guys, hey, this is the PPT, and you can be an expert of mechanical field. All right, so we can make another sessions as well if Zishan and the management have no issues. So Sudhir Hussain, yes, it is being recorded. All right. So as Abdul Aziz, thanks for your time and effort, and I agree that you are doing great work. And yes, we need more sessions. All right, Faiz. Thank you for your appreciation. And Anthony, all right, sir, no problem. Thank you for no problem. This session would love to attend more of these to learn more. Thank you, Harish. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your activity. You guys were actually not only students, so I just hate students. All right, because I once I was also a student, and at the last bench I was just sleeping. My teacher was just saying, "Hey, this is static engineer," and I was saying, "Hey, I don't know static engineer. I don't want to be a static engineer." But now it works. Now I am a mechanical engineer, and I really appreciate my teachers, my university, and everything else. My parents. The industrial DFM is much more complicated than this. We will love if you will provide a deep. Yes, exactly. The Actually there is a big gap between, as I was talking to Zishan, there is a big gap between university and industrial and any industry, because when I was a student, I did a lot of projects. I have created like uh, just crazy thing like that was a sand flea car that can jump over to 20 feet, and that was and I thought, oh, I have created that thing. Actually that was an achievement at that time. But in industry, you have many other things to learn. It will give you a whole new scenario of your life, what you were doing in an university and what you have to do in real life. Can we have the link to your LinkedIn profile? So Zishan, can you share, if you have LinkedIn profile link, can you share that? All right, so Zishan would share that. So knowledge gap between uni industry, how we can gain a specific in mechanical design engineering. Oh, again same question. So Al Ghifari, so the answer for that is you as a learner, you have to decide what you want to be in industry. You want to get in industry as a design engineer, as a quality engineer, as a project manager, as whatever the field you want to choose. But I personally I like design engineer because a designer can do a project manager job, a quality control job, whatever the job you want from a designer can do. So knowledge gap of all right. So should we start design part drawing with industrial standard, or should we start with? So if you are a beginner, Usman, just start your designing a part with simple dimensions. But if you can make that with industrial standards, it would be a great thing, right? Because it will make a practice in your mind. Then whenever you will design a new part, you will always think about industrial standards. and it will helps you a lot in your future if you want to grow as a mechanical or as a simple design engineer. So practically, sir, I want the project for the resume and final year. I want the project for the resume and final year. So I didn't get your point, Pratik, what you are talking about. So you need a project. What kind of proper design portfolio for applying a job? So yeah, that is a good question. So try to make more and more projects in design. Try to make more and more projects in design, and try to get indulged in automation as well. I think there was a course in mechanical design that was a selective subject, and that was a control. It was related to control, and it was basically an automation subject. I hope you. I don't know whatever semester you are going through, but always try to keep in touch with automation, with design, with quality, with standard, and with documentation. And also study statics engineering. That is a book in mechanical engineering that we, as a student, we actually don't like that book, but as a designer, as a mechanical design engineer, you would love that book. So all right, I think. So Moaz, here is another question. Do I need to master multiple software other than so? It depends. It depends on you, Moaz. So if you like, if you are making a complete product, so I think the SolidWorks is not the solution. You have to learn NCs. Maybe you have to learn ABACUS. Maybe you have to learn other analysis softwares, and it depends. It depends on the scenarios. Whatever, like in industry, there are some jobs that don't require any skills. Like you just, if you can open SolidWorks, you can grab a part, you can insert a part, you can mate a part, then you don't need any other skill. Your job is just to pick that part, make assembly, pick that part, make assembly, release job, pick that part, make assembly, release job. That is another scenario. But I would suggest you guys, if you are still getting that kind of job, don't deny that job. Just stay with that and try to improve yourself in that process also, right? Moz, I think you got my point. Was all right. Thank you, Mr. Talat, for your tips. All right, no problem, Moz. Thank you. So I think we have finished everything. Muhammad Burhan sir, in my job I have to model a part that drawing was made in 1980s. Then you can, Burhan, actually you can make a time machine and you can go back in 1980s. That would be great. Okay, I created that in 1980s and I am doing this job in 2025. Thank you guys, thank you. Have a great day. Yeah, exactly, exactly. That was all right, guys. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.